Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Welcome to SGN, that is Study Group of Nirma, and I am Agam Shah. And today in the course of Fundamentals of Power System, we are going to discuss about structures of power system. So first of all, there are two main structures of power system, that is radial and mesh connected power system. So first of all, we will briefly start with radial type of power system. So it's a system whereby power is received at the utility supply voltage level by a single incoming substation. Through a series of step downs and splits, the power is converted for individual end use equipment. That is from generating side to transmitting tower, and then through a step down transformer. The whole line is we can call it as a radial power system. The far ends are connected by radial power system, that is to travel long distances we use radial connector type of power system. Then comes the mesh connected type of power system. So it's a gateway responsible for transmitting and receiving data from a central source. That is, it is an ideally suited for short distances in an area in which several devices and sources of energy feed into a node, such as a substation. A mesh network introduces a backup redundancies to the ring network architect type of system. So in an area, we can use this. We use this mesh connected type of power system. So if one of the generator or one of the transformer, or if anything fails, then we can use it the other, and we can feed the load. So this is the basic diagram of radial and mesh connected type of power system. This is the mesh connected type of power system, and this is radial connected power system. So you can see, and you can know the difference between both. Then comes the microgrid. So what is a microgrid? So it's a self-sufficient energy system that serves a discrete geographic footprint, such as a college campus, hospital complex, business center, or neighborhood. Within microgrids are one of more kinds of distributed energy, that is solar panels, wind turbines, combined heat and power generators that produces its own power. Microgrids that incorporate renewable generation often include energy storage systems that provide benefits to the grid in terms of frequency and voltage stabilization. These storage systems also serve as source of reserve power to reduce peak demands on substations and the bulk power transmission systems. So, a bulk power system, as we have discussed before, it includes rotating machinery, transformers, circuit breakers, and all. So, this is what the microgrid is. You can refer the below diagram of your microgrid. That is, this is a utility grid from which the main power comes. Then this is a microgrid, like any college campus have this microgrid type of structure. Then we use generator from it. Residential area, commercial and industrial uses are fulfilled, renewables are fulfilled, storage and electric vehicle, all this can be fulfilled by the use of microgrid. And by this type of structure we can easily accommodate the load, and we can also have another, like if we have renewables, so we have another alternate sources also possible from this type of microgrid. So this is for this tutorial. Be with us in proceeding next videos for structures of power system, fundamental of power system. Thank you.